My name is Brett Healy. My brother and I, Greg Healy, own Great Lakes TV Seal Base in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Our primary function is rehabilitating underground pipelines for municipalities and private industry. Most of the things we buy is to create a new niche, and it's to stay ahead of the competitors, to always find something that can, or in the near future, will be a niche compared to what other people are running. One of the latest additions to the toolbox of Great Lakes has been the IBAK. We call it a dynamic duo, IBAK coupled up with a Schwam cutter. It's a brand new robotic cutter. Our old cutters were old school. They had to be pulled into place manually. This cutter is completely independent. It's a crawler, self-driven. That also has increased our production twofold. What used to take us 2 hours with an old cutter system now takes us less than 45 minutes. The IBAK, one of the reasons why we went with it was the diversity. They have a whole array of tractors, an array of cameras, big to small, each one having its own strengths. And they're all interchangeable. They can all interlock with each other and all work together. These tractors are steerable. We've got laser measurements, 1,650 feet of fiber optic cable. It gives us a little more versatility in the length that we can go for interceptor lines. So what we're looking at is a pipe that's been lined some odd years ago and a reinstatement. Sanitary sewer, household lateral. So we utilize the camera. It's the fundamental foundation for the whole business. It's to go into a pipeline for the customer, document what they have, size, pipe composition, length, and any defects. From that spawns the whole rest of the industry. All the other services come from there, whether we might go in and seal a leak that we found, rehabilitate a tap as we saw here on the video, putting in what we call lateral connection repair, grouting a leak, a spot repair, CIPP liner. It all spawns from the initial investigation that's provided for the municipality. The IBAK, again, a more professional deliverable and basically in and out faster than what we were before. In instance with the IBAK, we just did a job down south in Delavan. It was all off-road. It was either go in with off-road equipment, but because the IBAK had 1,650 feet of cable, we were allowed to just hit hot spots and televise the whole interceptor with a vehicle rather than off-road. So for that sake, it benefited the community, not pulling in bulldozers, mats to get places we couldn't go.